Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Under the one big beautiful bill, which of the following statements about itemized deduction beginning 2026 is correct? So we're looking at the one big beautiful bill, the itemized deduction, in beginning 2026. Let's start with A. Gambling losses are fully deductible against gambling winning as an itemized deduction. No. This used to be the old rule. It's out. B. Miscellaneous itemized deductions subject to the 2% AGI floor. You can stop right here. We no longer have miscellaneous itemized deductions subject to the 2% floor. That category is gone. I don't even have to read the remainder of this. This is out. I'm down to 50-50. Gambling losses are limited to 90% of gambling losses, then further limited to the amount of gambling winning. Unreimbursed educator expense above the statutory above the line cap may be claimed as an itemized deduction not subject to the 2% floor. That is correct. Your losses are limited to 90% of your gambling losses. You cannot deduct any more than that, and you still have to get 10% of your winning taxable regardless, even if your losses are more. And if you have unreimbursed education expense, you could not take above the line, you can claim not subject to any floor. C is the best answer so far. D, gambling losses are no longer deductible at all. Not at all. Not at all. That's incorrect. But all unreimbursed employee business expense, that's all gone. Unreimbursed employee business expense, that's gone. That's no longer deductible on Schedule A with the one big beautiful bill. What should you do now? Whether you are taking this as an accounting course, studying for the CPA exam, studying for the EA exam, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional multiple choice lectures, resources, AI resources to explain the topic, explain correct and incorrect answer, create new MCQs, invest in yourself. Don't gamble, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.